everyone, welcome back to another video. So Izzy here. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I don't usually do unboxings, but it is something I really want to get into on this channel, so if you enjoy watching those videos then stick around. Today is really exciting. It is my BTS Memories of 2019 DVD. It has finally arrived. I feel like everyone else has already done unboxings of these and has received them, and mine is finally here. I ordered them the same time as everyone else. I woke up super early in the morning to pre-order this and it's only just arrived. But anyway, it is here, so I'm very excited. Let's open it up. So I do only have the one version because why would I buy more than one DVD? Obviously, if you're an avid photo card collector, I can understand why you might buy several versions, but I don't really avidly collect all photo cards. Pretty, look at that. That is so cute. Oh, it's well bubbled. Oh my god. That is so big. I did not think it was that big. I thought is it bigger than the Season's Greetings, or is that just me? Right, let's get this box out of here. So let's open this up. Because I pre-ordered, I believe I should get the pre-order gift as well, which is very exciting. Oh my days, it is huge. What the heck? I did not think it was that big. Right, so here is the box. She is pretty big, not gonna lie. And we have the little photo frame. That is so cute. I think I'm gonna keep it in here for the time being. They look so pretty. Oh, I loved Tae's outfit. I love Tae's suit and Hobie's like huge collar. I thought that was just everything. So shall we open her up? The most exciting thing obviously is what photo card we pulled. So I'm very excited to see who we got because all of the photo cards are so adorable. So I've tried to refrain from watching any unboxings. The only things I've seen are a couple of the members' photo cards, so I kind of have an inkling about what those look like, but I haven't seen any of the photos or anything that's in here. Oh, it feels really nice. It's this kind of like soft material, and that is like kind of rose gold and shiny. How pretty! But seeing as I had been in ARMY for the whole of 2019, I just felt like it was really fitting as I was here for all of these moments. So to see it recorded is really, really cool. This is what we have so far. Oh, I'm scared because I don't know where the photo card is. So we have this. What is this? Oh! Oh my days! I got Jimin! Jimin seriously loves me. Honestly, actually, Jimin is probably the only member's card I haven't already seen. Oh, isn't he just adorable? I pull Jimin and Taeyong a lot, so how cute. Jimin was my first bias when I first got into BTS. I'm now just OT7 because I literally can't have a bias, but oh my god. So we have the first opening page. I think before we get into the rest of the book, I'm going to have a look through these. So we have the Special Memories book, which I believe is just a notebook, I think. Oh no! It has actual photos in it. Oh, okay. I'm just stupid. I haven't actually seen any unboxings for this, so I have no idea. Oh, I don't know how you'll be able to see the photos because it's like this. Wow, that was super pretty. That was super pretty to think. I thought that was a notebook, so. Yeah, it opens up. I thought it did. Right, let's open this up and try and go through it. So, Jin. We have a little group shot. Can't remember what that's from. Oh my gosh, Jimin looks insanely good there. Oh, keys. Jungkook's. This Taeyong photo though. Oh, that's so pretty. I think you can actually, like, it looks like the paper is perforated. Like, I think you can tear these, but we're not doing that, sis. That's just kind of crazy business. we can finally get into the actual box set. Sorry I'm taking so long. Right, so we have this page. As I believe, I think you can, oh yeah, you can take the photo in and out. Oh, there is! Oh, that's cute. Oh no, how do I get this back in now? Okay, she's in. I won't be taking that out again, just saying. Right, we have table of contents. How exciting. Oh, oh. Oh, idiot, don't have to do that. I find it a bit weird how the London Wembley isn't in here, and I don't know if that's because like they live streamed it so they haven't added clips in, but I find that a bit weird that they didn't add that in. Oh, oh my days. Right. Oh wow, that's super. Why is that so thick? Rose, because it's chapter 1. Mr. Kim Tae-hyung is here to introduce us to chapter 1. Insanely gorgeous. I'm sorry, that ring. Oh my days, so cute. That is everything. Oh, this is from the Japan MD shooting. Oh my days, look at Yoongi. Oh, he looks so pretty. Mr. Kim Namjoon. Kim Namjoon, he holds a special place in my heart. I say I am what 7 and I say I don't have a bias, but it's happening. It's been happening over the past couple months and I'm just like, oh, I don't know what to do with myself. Oh, these photos are like such good quality. Oh my days, that is adorable. It's a full-on like fold-out group shot of them. That's so pretty. Them at the Grammys, looking bomb. Oh, Persona Namjoon. This is literally why I started to become a Namjoon bias. Oof. Oh, stop it. He looks so squishy. Yes. So cute. Namjoon's just like, what the hell are you doing? How? Stop the clock. Jung Ho-seok, Min Yoon-gi just coming through. Oh my days. Jin. Look at him reading, an intellectual. Pretty boy. These are such nice photos. Really liked 2019 Festa. I thought it was really cool. Yes! Oh, I love these outfits. I think Yoongi looks so good in this bit. Jin in Mic Drop. Namjoon in his little astronaut outfit. Oh, when he performed in like that astronaut outfit was adorable. Oh, yes. Oh, I really liked this award show because all of their fits just look gorgeous. I mean, come on. It was that day. It was that day we got that Kim Tae-hyung. I forgot about that. How could I forget? Yes, they just looked so classy and bougie, you know? Oh, Mr. Worldwide Handsome. These pages are really nice. They're like super thick. Oh look, there's the picture, the pre-order gift. These are nice. It's like little profiles of each of them. Oh wow, stop it, I'm gonna cry. I really want to go to a concert so bad. Jungkook doing Euphoria. I thought that was so cool when I saw that. Him flying around. Seesaw Yoongi. Oh my god. Hearing him sing Epiphany, I honestly cried. I actually like cried. I bawled my eyes out. Oh, Ooh, Singularity Tay. I didn't know what to do in that moment. Like, I wish I could go back in time just so I could eat it all up again, because I had no idea what... I was overwhelmed. Oh no, Jiminy, crying. Don't cry, Jimmy. I feel like so much happened last year. Oh wow, wow. Oh, Ampan Man stage is so cool. What is happening here? What is happening? Oh my god, I wasn't ready for that. These photos, honestly, are gorgeous. Oh, I just miss all of their solo stages so much. Wow, look at him. Oh, this is for the final. Summer package. I was so tempted to buy this and then I didn't. I was like, I don't need that. I really don't. This is so pretty. I've never seen any of these photos before. Oh, I've seen them in these outfits. Those were really stunning. That is why I wanted to buy. Season's greetings. Oh, they shot that in August? Oh my days. Oh, he has little freckles. I just realised. Yes, I love the Season's greetings pictures. I just thought they were all so stunning. What? That is beautiful. Namjoon has freckles as well. I didn't even realise. Oh my gosh, wow. Chicken noodle soup. I haven't listened to that in like a little while. I need to listen to it. I had it on repeat though for like a good month, about 2 months. Cute. Oh, look at him with his tattoos and his cardigan and his long hair. Are you kidding me? '20 winter package. Another thing that I was tempted to buy and then didn't because I don't collect DVDs. I keep telling myself this. The DVDs that I do have are ones where I've been present for it or I actually feel like I want to watch the content. This hat is adorable. It's literally everything. I did think the 2020 winter package though looked so stunning because wasn't it shot in Helsinki? Wow, oh I loved this stage. That was so beautiful. This whole stage I watched again. I watched 2019 MMAs the other day just because it was amazing, it was stunning, it was show-stopping. I honestly, the first time I watched Jimin, and I honestly cried at Jimin's performance because it was just so stunning and beautiful. Sorry if you can hear my dog, he's kind of just walking around in my room right now. Oh my god, Jin with the forehead though. Jingle Ball! I forgot about this. Oh, and here are the DVDs. I have 6 DVDs, all with some beautiful content on. I am sure I will be watching these before I go back to university. So that was the 2019 BTS Memories unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. It was so fun to go through this. It is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. It is such nice quality. It's really stunning and there's so much content in there. It's crazy. I have no idea how I'm going to fit it on my shelf, but we'll find a way, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you'd like to see more unboxings from me, then please do stay tuned, as I'm currently in the works of doing a K-pop collective haul for this month. I'm just waiting on a few more packages and then that video will be uploaded. So yeah, I love you all so much. Love yourself, and I will see you all again soon, guys. Bye!